Welcome to Part3D, the intuitive CAD app designed for creators, makers, and engineers on iPad. In this short walkthrough, we'll show you how to build your first part.
Let's create a simple L-shaped mounting bracket, great for furniture, robotics, or basic structural use. Start by tapping Create Sketch in the left panel. Select the top plane to draw the bracket's base. Use the rectangle tool to sketch the base. I like to use the center point mode. It allows us to easily center the bracket. Draw a rectangle approximately 50 millimeters wide and 30 millimeters tall. Now, let's add some dimensions. Select one edge of the rectangle, tap on the lock icon, and add a dimension constraint. Tap on the dimension and set it to 50 millimeters for the width. Do the same for the height, setting it to 30 millimeters. Tap Apply to finish, then select the face and hit Extrude. Set the length to 4 millimeters. This will be the thickness of the bracket. Now let's create the vertical wall. Select the back face of the base and hit Create Sketch again. This will let us draw the upright portion and have reference to the base. Draw a rectangle starting from the left bottom corner of the base. Make it 20 millimeters wide and 40 millimeters tall. This will form the upright portion. I'm also using an equal constraint to match the dimension to the existing reference from the base. Finish the sketch, then extrude the profile towards the base by end your 4 millimeter to match the base thickness. Next, we'll add screw holes. Select the top face of the base and tap Create Sketch. Draw one circle at the center using the existing point as a reference. Drag from that point towards the outside. Add a circle radius constraint of 7.5 millimeter. Then repeat that on the vertical face. Let's tap Extrude Cut. Select the whole face and increase length enough to cut through the entire part. Repeat this for the other hole. To round the edges, select Fillet from the toolbar. Select the edges you want to round and adjust the radius to your preference. And that's it, a functional, clean bracket, ready to export and 3D print. Make sure to save your work. You can also export the model in various formats depending on your 3D printer's requirements, such as STL or OBJ.